In this video, I'll be demonstrating the most effective method for anyone to begin earning money through print on demand today. This video will be packed with valuable insights that aren't commonly shared. I'll guide you on selecting products guaranteed to sell, obtaining significant amounts of free traffic, outperforming competitors, and scaling print on demand from a side venture to a full-fledged business. Rest assured, I won't simply advise you to upload hundreds of designs and hope for the best, like many others in the print-on-demand sphere. Instead, I'll reveal the quickest path to success based on my experience. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money, online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. If you're new to print on demand, don't fret. It's a straightforward business model where you upload designs onto various blank products. When a customer orders one of your products, an external printing company like Printful prints and ships it, and you keep the profit margin. Having engaged in print on demand for years, I've shared the highs and lows on this channel, from my fan poster business to viral Queen's Jubilee t-shirts. After numerous trials and errors, I believe I've cracked the code and discovered the optimal approach for beginners to start earning from print on demand. I'll share these insights in this video. Starting a print-on-demand venture can be overwhelming, with countless products to choose from and a myriad of strategies touted by YouTubers. However, I'll show you the most effective method to build and scale a print-on-demand business, enabling you to rake in substantial profits. So let's dive right in. Step 1 involves selecting the right product. While print-on-demand companies offer numerous products, it's crucial not to try selling everything. I've seen individuals set up stores offering a plethora of items, only to wonder why they're not making sales. Instead, focus on what's already proven to work for others. For instance, if mugs and t-shirts are selling well, there's no need to reinvent the wheel. The key is to add unique designs to these popular items to stand out from the competition. T-shirts and mugs are particularly advantageous as they're inexpensive to produce. For example, you can have a mug printed for around $5 and sell it for under $10, yielding a decent profit margin. Moreover, these items often spur impulsive purchases, driving sales. While I advocate starting with t-shirts and mugs to test your designs, you can later expand to other products once you've established sales. Moving on to step 2, which involves product research and identifying trends. This step is about leveraging existing successful products in the market rather than reinventing the wheel. We're not advocating for copying. Rather, we're learning from what's already working for others. By doing so, we work smarter, not harder. This approach saves us from unnecessary trial and error and provides inspiration for our designs. We'll have ample opportunity to infuse our creativity later on. To kickstart your research, I recommend downloading the free Chrome extension, Range Drop, and creating a collection specifically for print-on-demand ideas. Next, head over to Etsy.com, a massive marketplace where many individuals have found success with print-on-demand. While Etsy is an excellent research tool, I'll also introduce other platforms for selling print-on-demand products later in this video. Within Etsy, focus on best-selling products to identify trends and gain insights into what's currently popular. By scrolling through listings and paying attention to indicators like bestseller and popular now, you can discern which products are performing well. This initial research phase is crucial for informing your product selection and design strategy. For t-shirts, we'll utilize the Raindrop app. With this Chrome extension installed, we simply click on it, add the selected item to our print-on-demand ideas collection, and proceed to explore various t-shirts on Etsy. Anything that appears to be selling well can be added to our Raindrop collection for future reference. This way, we gradually build up a folder of best-selling products from Etsy, which we can revisit later for design inspiration. However, This manual approach on Etsy has its limitations as it doesn't provide comprehensive information on best-selling products. To address this, we can use a paid Chrome extension called Allura, which offers detailed insights into sales performance. With Allura, we can see precisely how much certain products, like the Best Cat Dad Ever t-shirt, have earned, providing valuable data on trends and market demand. Additionally, Allura allows us to explore products beyond the ones labeled as bestsellers on Etsy, expanding our scope for product research. Another effective method for staying ahead of the competition involves using Google Trends. By entering product types such as mugs or t-shirts in the Explore tab of Google Trends, we can identify trending topics and search queries. For instance, if oldie mug is trending, we can observe existing listings on Etsy and assess market demand. Similarly, if a search term like Bitcoin is trending, we can capitalize on this by incorporating it into our designs. This data from Google Trends enables us to anticipate consumer interests and tailor our products accordingly. Moving on to product design, this is where we unleash our creativity. By referencing our Raindrop collection of best-selling products, we can draw inspiration for new designs. For instance, if a Best Cat Dad t-shirt is performing well, we can create variations of this concept using Canva templates. Additionally, we can leverage trending topics identified through Google Trends to create timely designs. For example, combining a popular design like ice cream appreciation with a trending topic like Bitcoin can result in innovative and marketable products. While Canva provides ample design tools for most needs, those with limited design skills or time constraints can explore alternative options. Platforms like Fiverr offer access to professional designers who can bring your ideas to life for a fee. Moreover, advancements in AI technology, such as AI art generators like Midjourney, provide another avenue for generating unique designs. These AI-generated designs can be customized and refined to suit specific niches or trends, offering a convenient solution for those lacking design expertise. Once our designs are finalized, we need to select a print-on-demand supplier to bring them to life. It's crucial to choose a reputable supplier that offers high-quality products, fast international delivery, and competitive prices. Printful stands out as an excellent choice, meeting all these criteria. With its comprehensive product range, efficient delivery services, and competitive pricing, Printful ensures customer satisfaction while facilitating cost-effective operations for sellers. A highly effective technique and strategy for leveraging existing successful ideas while adding a unique twist is by transforming someone else's concepts or products into a different format. For instance, if there's a popular t-shirt design that reads Best Cat Dad, typically printed directly onto the fabric, you could reimagine it as an embroidered t-shirt bearing the same messaging. This approach allows for differentiation, enabling you to stand out and offer a higher quality product. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. So, once you've likely uploaded your products on Printful, such as t-shirts and mugs, and they're prepared for sale, the next step is finding a platform to market them. While creating your own website and listing products, there is an option. It's not advisable for beginners due to the challenges of attracting initial customers. Instead, a more effective approach involves tapping into platforms already frequented by millions of visitors daily. One such platform is Etsy.com. While previously used for product research, Etsy also serves as an excellent platform for making sales. Integrating seamlessly with Printful, Etsy automates the order processing, making it convenient for sellers. Despite concerns about saturation, Etsy remains a viable option for generating sales, as demonstrated by the successful creation of a profitable Etsy store within 24 hours in a separate video. However, to succeed on Etsy, one must employ certain strategies to stand out and maximize sales without resorting to paid advertising. A key aspect of succeeding on Etsy lies in keyword research and optimizing product listings to attract potential customers. Many sellers overlook this crucial step, focusing solely on creating designs and listing products without considering how customers will find them. Thus, investing time in thorough keyword research is paramount. Utilizing tools like Sales Samurai, a Chrome extension, enables sellers to identify search terms and assess competition levels. By delving deeper into related keywords, sellers can uncover untapped opportunities with lower competition, such as Bitcoin Bull T-shirt, which may present a lucrative niche to exploit. Additionally, integrating relevant keywords into product titles and descriptions enhances visibility and improves search ranking on Etsy, increasing the likelihood of attracting customers. Moreover, leveraging AI tools like ChatGPT can streamline the process of crafting compelling product titles and descriptions stuffed with relevant keywords. By providing ChatGPT with a list of identified keywords, sellers can generate engaging and SEO-friendly content for their Etsy listings, further enhancing their visibility and appeal to potential buyers. These strategies, combined with thoughtful product selection and differentiation, can significantly improve a seller's chances of success on Etsy, driving sales and establishing a thriving print-on-demand business. Utilizing strategic keywords is crucial on platforms like Etsy, where less competition can lead to higher rankings and increased sales. However, many Etsy sellers overlook the importance of optimizing their images, which can significantly impact conversion rates. By implementing high-quality mock-ups, showcasing products in realistic settings, sellers can build trust with customers and enhance listing visibility. Furthermore, crafting attention-grabbing thumbnails with vibrant backgrounds or compelling text overlays can make listings stand out amidst the competition. Another effective strategy involves leveraging Etsy's built-in scarcity notifications by manually adjusting product quantities. By indicating low stock levels, sellers can create a sense of urgency, prompting potential buyers to make quicker purchasing decisions. Additionally, implementing this tactic in conjunction with a subtle reminder at the checkout stage can further enhance conversion rates. Expanding beyond Etsy, sellers can explore alternative platforms like TikTok Shop, which offers opportunities for selling print-on-demand products. Leveraging TikTok's affiliate marketing program or creating engaging content to showcase products can drive traffic and boost sales. For sellers interested in learning more about TikTok strategies, a dedicated video tutorial provides comprehensive guidance on leveraging the platform for e-commerce success. If you loved this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.